Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on your MacBook Air. First, you have two primary methods. Either download the Mac OS version via Steam or run the iOS app directly on your Apple Silicon machine. Both options offer a smooth gameplay experience. We will explore each method in detail, ensuring you can join your crewmates or become an imposter in no time. Let's get started with the easiest way to play. The most straightforward way to play Among Us is through Steam. Begin by downloading and installing the Steam application onto your MacBook Air. Once Steam is set up, search for Among Us in the store and complete your purchase. After buying the game, simply install it from your Steam library. The installation process is quick, usually taking only a few minutes, and then you are ready to launch and enjoy the full game experience. For those with an Apple Silicon MacBook Air, running the iOS version of Among Us is another excellent option. Head to the Mac App Store and look for the iPhone and iPad apps section. Search for Among Us there and download the free mobile version. This method leverages your Mac's powerful chip to run the app natively. You can easily control the game using your trackpad or by connecting an external mouse for precise movements and interactions. To enhance your Among Us experience, consider a few tips. First, adjust the in-game graphics settings to match your MacBook Air's capabilities for the smoothest performance. While the trackpad works, an external mouse often provides more precise control, especially during critical tasks or emergency meetings. Always ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection for uninterrupted online matches. Finally, clear communication with your crewmates is key to victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.